sickles, the internal angle of answer is 70 to 80 must be preserved between the face and lateral surface. While sharpening curates and sickles, the internal angle of 70 to 80 degrees must be preserved between the face and the lateral surface. During sharpening of instruments, the face of the sickle, the face of the blade is parallel to the floor and the stone makes 100 to 110 degrees angle with the face of the blade. This automatically preserves an angle of 70 to 80 degrees angle between the face and lateral surface. All of the following are contraindications for root planing except answer is recession. All of the following are contraindications for root planing except answer is recession. Overhanging margins or restorations, caries, areas of decalcification and root roughness caused by previous instrumentation must be recognized and differentiated from subgingival calculus. Which one of the following is not true about ultrasonics? It is not true. Oscillates about 1500 to 3000. Vibrations. Ultrasonic vibrations at tip of instrument range from 20,000 to 45,000 Hz. The spray, which is directed at the tip of instrument, dissipates heat and forms tiny vacuum bubbles that collapse quickly and release energy by a process known as cavitation. The cavitating water spray serves to flush calculus, plaque, and debris dislodged by the vibrating tip from the pocket. Which of the following instruments has a two-point contact with the tooth? Answer is hoe. Hoes are used for removing ledges or rings of calculus. It makes two-point contact with the tooth and this stabilizes the instrument and prevents nicking of the root. The blade is bent at 99 degrees and the cutting edge is beveled at 45 degrees. Hoes, chisels and files are subgingival scalers. The ultrasonic scaler dislodges only calculus. That is in direct contact with the tip. Ultrasonics may be used for scaling, curettage and removing of stain. They produce vibrations at the tip of the instrument, which, when adapted to the tooth, causes dislodgement of calculus. Which part of the instrument should remain parallel whenever possible to the long axis of the tooth? Answer is shank. In general, hard sharpening of instruments with unmounted stones is preferable to sharpening by motor-driven mounted stones because unmounted stones wear away less of the instrument surface. In general, hand sharpening of instrument with unmounted stones is preferable to sharpening by motor-driven mounted stones because unmounted stones wear away less of the instrument surface. Mounted rotary stones are not recommended because they are difficult to control precisely and can ruin the shape of the instrument. They tend to wear down the instrument quickly, generates frictional heat which may affect the temper of the instrument. The diameter of the tip of a periodontal probe is answer is 0.5 millimeter. The diameter of the tip of a periodontal probe is 0.5 millimeter. Following scaling, a patient notices hard plaque deposits. This may be due to answer is shrinkage of gingiva. Following scaling, a patient notices hard plaque deposits. This may be due to shrinkage of gingiva. After scaling, the gingiva, which is edematous and swollen, undergoes shrinkage and is restored to normal health. This causes exposure of subgingival calculus in form of hard plaque deposits. When scaling and root planing, the primary objective of the procedure is to Restore the gingival tissue to health. When scaling and root planing, the primary objective of the procedure is to restore the gingival tissue to health by removing the irritants which provoke the inflammation. Percussion is measured by a neighbor's probe. Mercury's color-coded probe. Its calibrations are in three sections, 3 mm sections. William probe markings at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10 millimeters. Michigan zero colored coded probe shows marking of Williams probe with color markings at 3, 6, 8 millimeters. UNC 15 millimeter color coded probe color coding at 5th, 7th, 10th, and 15th millimeter. WHO or CPTI probe 0.5 millimeter ball at the tip and millimeter markings at 3.5, 5.5, and 8.5 and 11.5 shows color coding from 3.5 to 5.5. Neighbor's probe, curved and blunt probe used to evaluate furcation areas. Arkansas stone is lubricated with light mineral oil to all the above to prevent heat buildup, remove metal particles, prevent it from drying up, all the above. India and Arkansas oil stones are examples of natural abrasive stones. Carborundum, ruby, and ceramic stones are synthetically produced. Thank you.